Tech-X, whatever it's called. It's quite nice once you settle in. It was a bit of a shock when we came, because okay, just a room of the Tech-X, small kitchen. The hot plate doesn't work, but they said they would bring up a portable one if we wanted it, so it's quite a reasonable kitchen. Absolutely nothing provided with it, but washing machine and dryer, it's good. Microwave, fridge with a freezer on the bottom. Reasonable room, all a bit different, amateurish, I think we'd say. It looks like the family sort of renovated these apartments themselves. So it's all a little bit odd, but livable. And I suppose the price is good for this area, as we're right near Jing'an Temple. Shower, which was blocked the day we arrived, along with the fact the TV didn't work and a few other things, but they had fixed it up. Everything going. Toilet. You cannot flush toilet paper here, so you have to use the bidet and dry yourself and put the used toilet paper in the thing. It was a bit of a surprise to us, something new. We haven't encountered that in hotels or anything in China before, but anyway, they do have drainage problems in this country. And there we go. And two reasonably comfortable beds, hard but comfortable-ish, I suppose. And that's the view outside. Oh, there must be a fire station down there. That's why I heard the sirens last night. There is a fire station. I hadn't realised that before. And we look down. If you can see down there, there's a Uyghur restaurant just opposite of the door. Interesting place to try and find, but it was okay. And there you can just see the top of the Jing'an temple, I think. I can see it. I can't see it in the screen, but zoom you can. So we're very close to the Jing'an temple, and then an older part of Shanghai there, and other buildings around. And just out the front of our apartment block, and we're up in that bit there somewhere, just above overlooking the restaurant. Oh, bit smoky barbecue. And there's the Uyghur restaurant, which is directly opposite us. We haven't tried any of them yet. And that's looking down our street, and there's the gold of the Jing'an temple sticking up between the buildings. Try and get a slightly better view with the sun on it of the Jing'an temple, with the sun on the gold roof. Apparently that is all real gold, or real gold plate, they say. Just around Jing'an temple. This is Yves Saint Laurent, all lit up and sparkly, and we're just behind this somewhere. I don't think we can quite see our place yet. And this is just lost where we are now. The road names. But anyway. And just down there a little bit is West Nanjing Road. A bit away from the front, but more central.